Yeah. So first of all, thank you everybody for joining the session, the quick demonstration today. So here demonstration means here we will discuss about what are the things we are going to discuss. Then daily how many hours we are going to discuss. The classes will run in the what timelines and what topics and all the things we will cover it today, right? So the entire discussion we will cover it today. So before that, here the some new faces I see SAP, right? So what is SAP here? SAP is a one of the one of the application software, ERP application software here. So in the abbreviation of SAP is like S means so systems, A means application system applications, and the products in business data processing in business. So data processing here. So in your business, we want to process the business data. Suppose we have the one food business. We have the some different business are there. We want to process your business data from one to another. We need the one application that is called the SAP application, one product, SAP product is required here, ERP product, then application, ECC application, then system, one system is required here for the business. Without these three, we cannot run the business, the live transactions and everything, we cannot run it here. So SAP is a one of the ERP German software. Actually, basically, this is the German software here. Suppose if I talk about the history of the SAP. So 1972, the five ex-service IBM employees, five ex-service IBM employees, so they have founded this SAP software in 1972, which means it's a overall 52 years ago the West German people, when they are leaving the IBM that time, based upon the business situation that time, so they have founded so this so SAP software here. So which means they are the five founders, the initially five founders in the SAP here, right? So it's a headquarters also Germany. Worldwide, the SAP softwares are serving here, right? So the products what that depends upon their business, we can use the SAP products depends upon our business. We can use the different SAP products. We can use it. Sir, what about the products? What is mean by products here? SAP is not is a software, right? No, SAP is a brand. Under that, Unilever is a brand. Under the Unilever software, Unilever, we have the chocolates, biscuit products. They have multiple products are there, shampoos, right? They are the multiple products are there here. Here also, SAP is a application software. Depends upon your business, you can install the your respective the related SAP product you can install for your business here, right? So can you name it some of the products like SAP ERP software, right? ECC, normally we will call it as the SAP ERP, then SAP CRM, then SAP SRM, then SAP. So PLM, so product lifecycle management. So SAP, SCM, then SAP, our favorites like S4 HANA, then SAP Fiori, then SAP, so BW for HANA and SAP HANA, NetWeaver, Success Factors, then Business Objects, Ariba, Cloud Platforms, BTP, so the Convergence Cloud, Hybris, and there are the n number of products they have released into the market. So depends upon the your business, you can install the respective product to the your business so that it will survey like PI, PO, NetWeaver, right? Ariba, success factors. There are many things are there here, right? So initially they are SAP is only planned to release only SAP softwares only, only software, application softwares only. Initially, they are only for the SAP application softwares only. Later, they are started releasing the DB softwares also. DB side also they have released it. DB side means the MaxDB, Sybase, and HANA database. The most popular database nowadays in the HANA shares are very high. So HANA database. These are the DB softwares also. They are releasing. They are supporting for market here. Only except operating systems, remaining all are they are supporting here. Right? Only network and operating systems are network also they have introduced into the in the BTP side. Right? Ariba, so networks. So only application side, they're planning to take everything in the in-house, right? In-house. That's why they have introduced the cloud-based Rise with SAP concepts and BTP related concepts. So they have introduced all these concepts here. But the core is core. The basis is the core. The core skills are definitely it's required here, right? So the SAP SC, there is a SAP SE is there here. That is the German-based software company here. SAP SE here. That is a German multinational software company based upon the world of the Germany. So it develops the enterprise softwares to manage the all the business operations, the customer relationship. The SAP SE is the one of the software company. That company is the world largest enterprise resourcing planning software vendor, which means ERP vendor. So all the software, which means it's not the free software, SAP software, it's a proprietary license. SAP license is the proprietary license here. So which means we need to purchase the licenses from SAP here. SAP, we have to purchase the all the licenses and everything here. So the logo also they have 2021, 2011, they have introduced the SAP logo and everything here, right? So SAP is a three-tier architecture. So if I talk about the history of the SAP, initially they were in the R1 architecture. R1 means real-time, real-time tier 1 architecture, right? So later, so they have realized it and depends upon the IBM mainframes, they have changed their architecture to the R2 architecture. R means real time, 2 means two tier architecture. It's kind of a biskill, okay? Two tiers, biskill here. Then later again they have released it and at ECC time, so they have released the R3 architecture. So then they have changed their architecture here. This is one of the successful architecture. So then it's running completely. But again they have introduced the ECC to the next advanced version is the S4 HANA S4, which means simplified fourth generation business suite here. S means simplified, 4 means fourth generation business suite here, right? So that is the one here they have released it here. So the products are like these are the products. Don't think like only these are the product like here we have the HCM, so PLM, so there the BTP, AppGear. So many things are there here, right? So many things are there here. So just some of the famous products I have so named it in this section here. And this is the architecture they have started initially R1 and R2 architecture and R3 architecture and S4 architecture. Maybe we may work in this R3 and S4 architectures only. Why? Because these architectures are not there here, right? But we will discuss about the versions, information, and all those things here. The first so they have in 1972, the first name is different here. It's not the SAP means it's not the systems and applications and products in business data processing. First the naming convention is different for them here. That is called the SAP means system, right? That the system analyze and program, system analysis and program development here. The first abbreviation of SAP is system and analysis system analysis, and the program development here. Program development here. So SAPD. Okay. So initially there is the first the abbreviation they have released into the market in 1972, June 1972. There is a private partnership of the German civil code. So they have released this version, this naming convention here. Then, so after that they have worked on it here. Then, so they have started the first commercial product, the financial accounting in 1973. That versions I will explain it in when we start the actual classes here. So then they have changed their architecture and everything to the so this product here, SAP Analysis Program Development 2, then SAP so application systems applications and product in business data processing like that in 9. So they have released this product here. 5x service German IBM people here. So worldwide, so the lakhs of customers they are using the SAP for their business here. SAP they are using the so this SAP applications here. Why? Because why the customers are all are so keenly interest to use the SAP means the code SAP code is easily they can adjust it here. Easily we can customize it here. That is, and also it is the application and also the security wise also there are the multiple advantages are there to use the SAP application software here. That's why worldwide many customers they are using the SAP application for their businesses here. For their businesses they are using the this SAP here. So SAP, which means we are not only one team here, we are the core team here. We are the core team means administrator team here. So with us in one SAP system, there are the multiple people will work on the systems here. Suppose if I talk about the team structures and here, so with us we have the SAP basis team, which means we are the very technical team, core team. We are the core team actually, the main team here. Without we build the systems, no one cannot log into the system, means business will not happen. Then with us, we have the ABAP team also available. They will do the coding part and everything. So, and also we have the security team also available. So, security team will do the security related users and authorizations and segregation of duties, and their part they will take care of this one. And also we have the functional team. The functional team is the very important for the business. So they will write the so scenarios and everything, finance, so SD, MM, so AP, EAR. So there are a lot of functional teams or modules are available. Depends upon the your business. Suppose your business is the sales, then say SD, sales and distribution, FICO, so FICO and MM, material management, and there are the multiple functional modules are there here. So they will work on that one here. And end users here. So end users will work on the systems here. And so business users, end users, the multiple users, so they will work on the systems in the here. So live systems, it's very important here, right? Live systems are production systems are very important to the business here. Production systems are very important to the business here, right? That is the main important thing here, right? Team structure. So we as a basis team here, we will do the our. So here you see I mentioned like end users and the business users here. What are those? Who are those? Right? Who are the people here? End users. Right? So business users means general term. Anyone who uses the IT systems to perform their job means business users, right? So business users, they have the knowledge and explain the define the business requirement, ensure their IT solutions are relevant and valuable. So those are people are called the business users here, right? So it's a type of a end users also same type of the business users here, but they will use the SAP, the main day-to-day transactions, accounts, who is the SAP to perform the accounting transactions in SAP, That is called the end user. That is called the end users here, right? End users here. End users are business. They will end users of the business applications. So and there are the multiple people. There are multiple naming conventions in SAP. So SAP, but everybody will log into the SAP system. They will start working on the system here. They will do their duties here. But our duty, we are the technical teams. We all are the technical teams here to support the SAP systems and everything here, right? These are the business users. They will do the accounts, transactions, and everything here. Those are the people here. So here, our role is the main role here. Starting of the taking the business instructions, implementations, and go live activities, business go live, then supporting the SAP systems. All those things we have to perform as a basis consultant means downloading the softwares onwards, installation of the SAP applications, then doing the configurations, then go live activities, then supporting the SAP systems, starting to up to ending. Our job is continuous job. So if the functional people are not there, security is not there, functional and the above parts is not there, business will run. But business will run. But if the technical people is not there, then system is down, then no one knows in the IT team to start the SAP systems and everything, which means we are the main team, we are the core team, core members are there. We have to support the systems. If the business is running the 24 by 7 support, definitely, we need to support the system by 24 by 7 support. We have to perform it here, which means you are not only one person to support it here. With you, you have the multiple people, and they will do the so shift wise. You need to support the systems here. We have the common daily routine activities are there, which we need to support to the everyday here. So, as part of this course and everything, what we are going to discuss at the high level here, so first of all, we'll do the SAP implementations. Why? Because implementation side, we'll discuss about the how to install the what is the implementation strategy we will use it, our first class. Then what are the strategies, what are the phases, then how to download the softwares, how to install the SAP softwares. Then once the installation is done, then support activities here. SAP support level activities here. These are the very important here. Support level activities. Then how to support the systems, how to fix the issues here, how to move the changes from one system to another system here, how to data flow, how the data flow happens here, security creations, user authorizations, and so these things we will discuss here, and updating the softwares, then patches, bug fixes, implementations. Why? Because SAP is the running software. So there is a real time some dumps, some issues will occur. So we are the main team for all these teams, basis team to fix the issues, to troubleshoot the issues, then down so maintenance activities, support level activities here. So all the activities here we will support here. All the activities here, the maintenance activities and support activities, we will do the all kind of activities here, right? This is the main team which we will support it here, right? So maintenance activities here, the support activities we will do it in the systems here, right? So this kind of activities we will support it here. Daily activities, so weekly activities, monthly activities, yearly activities, background jobs, client copies, so RFC profiles. So there the multiple topics are there. As per the course content which I said, multiple topics are there. Those topics will comes under the support and maintenance activities. And also the high level which we will discuss about the SAP upgrades, also using the sum tool also we will discuss here. Sum tool is the using the sum tool we will discuss the SAP upgrades, DB refresh, DB installations. DB here we are discussing about the HANA administration part, HANA installations, HANA upgrade, system restore, backup, restore, recovery, HA, DR, failback, failover. So all the mechanisms we will discuss here, including the R3 security, the HANA security, the system copies, right? So building the new systems, refresh. So all the things we will cover it in the our SAP basis and HANA administration part here, right? So this is the way of topics which we discussed. I shared the course content. Once again, you can just go through it here. Then our first topic which we are going to start is on the SAP implementation side. So implementation side also we will discuss some of the activities here that we will discuss on the Monday, the next class which we will discuss actual classes, versions and everything, and what is the end. And also here the first we will do it on the Windows operating systems. So then once everybody familiar with the Windows operating systems, then similarly I can assign the Linux OS also I can hand over. So you guys can feel comfortable, then do the installation on the Linux OS and the Windows OS, which is the you're interested. So you can work on the Linux OS as well as the Windows OS also. You can work on that one. Okay. So then the databases side here. Okay, this is the operating systems. Then SAP, ECC, and NetWeaver systems, we will do the installation. Also, after some time, we will also work on the S4HANA applications and the differences between the ECC and applications S4HANA. What are the changes are happened? But our activities are common in every way. The basis activities are common in whatever the product is there. Our activities are common here, right? So we will get explore on the S4HANA systems also here. Then the DB side, we will discuss about the HANA DB administration. So all the HANA topics and everything here, right? And also the class will run daily 1 hour, and so you will get the lab access. You will get that lab access means you will get the same as like real time how we access the server. Same way you will get the lab access. So you can do the practice, and you can do the practice whenever you want to do the practice. You can do the practice. You will get the lab access. So software is also available. So we will download the software to keep it ready, and everybody can do the installations and the remaining topics also. Everything you can practice it here, right? So that is the way forward which we discuss all those things here. Daily 1 hour. So the timelines also we fixed like morning 7 a.m. IST. So this timeline, same timelines we will discuss on the Monday with the introduction session, implementation introduction, and all those things will start it Monday. Okay. So that is the agenda for today's session. So if anyone any doubts, so you can just ask me.